To understand how Freemasonry is governed, you have to understand the role of the Grand Lodge. A Grand Lodge is the highest governing authority within a Masonic jurisdiction. That jurisdiction is usually defined by geography, such as a state or a country. Each Grand Lodge is sovereign within its territory. This means there is no higher Masonic authority above it within that jurisdiction. A Grand Lodge is responsible for chartering local lodges. Without a charter from a Grand Lodge, a lodge cannot operate legitimately. The Grand Lodge also establishes the rules and regulations that govern how lodges operate. These rules are often called constitutions, bylaws, or codes. Local lodges must follow them. The Grand Lodge is also responsible for maintaining standards. It ensures that rituals are worked correctly, officers are properly installed, and disputes are handled according to Masonic law. If a lodge violates the rules, the Grand Lodge has the authority to investigate, discipline, or even revoke its charter. Leadership within a Grand Lodge is not permanent. Grand Lodge officers are elected or appointed for limited terms. The Grand Master serves as the chief executive officer of the jurisdiction, but only for a defined period of time. When that term ends, the authority ends. This prevents permanent control and reinforces accountability. Another important function of a Grand Lodge is recognition. Grand Lodges decide which other Grand Lodges they recognize as legitimate. Recognition allows members to visit lodges in other jurisdictions. Without recognition, visitation is not permitted. This is why recognition matters so much in Freemasonry. There is no worldwide Grand Lodge. There is no global headquarters. Each Grand Lodge governs itself independently. They may communicate, cooperate, or recognize one another, but none of them answer to a central authority. This structure explains why Freemasonry can look different from place to place while still sharing common principles. The Grand Lodge system preserves both unity and independence. Understanding what a Grand Lodge is helps clarify nearly every question about Masonic authority. It explains who makes the rules, who enforces them, and why no individual or group controls Freemasonry worldwide. In the next episode, we will explain why each state or jurisdiction is considered sovereign in Freemasonry.